Alright, let's get back to it. Another leak code problem for today. Let's see what we're going to do. Minimum time to type word using special typewriter. There's a special typewriter with lowercase a to z, arranged in a circle with a pointer. A character can only be typed if the pointer is pointing to that character. The pointer is initially pointing to the character A. Move the pointer one character. Each second you can either move the pointer or type the character. Return the number of seconds to type out the characters in Word. Ooh. Okay. Well, that's interesting. So we gotta find just the difference, I guess. So cur is equal to A, and if we want to type the letter A, we're already on it, so it would be A minus A is equal to 0, and then we just plus 1 to then get 1, right? I'm going to outline my thought process here. Thought process. And cool. But what if it's like B? Then we do like A minus B is then equal to -1. Get the absolute value of that, and we get 1. But what if we want to do Z? A minus Z wouldn't work, because you would get 26. Would it be 26 minus absolute value of cur minus like what you want minus character, right? Because if we're doing for A to B, that would be 26 minus absolute value of A minus B. You would get 25. Okay. So you actually want to get the minimum then of two things. So minimum of either absolute value of A minus B, or what if you do B minus A? No. Or 26 minus B minus A minus B. And that's your answer. Cool. Answer is equal to 0. For character in Word. Answer plus equals minimum of absolute value of cur minus C, or 26 minus. Do we also do absolute value again? Yeah, we also do absolute value again of cur minus C. Yeah. And then cur is now equal to C. And then answer plus equals 1. Return answer. gosh, what is wrong, bro? What's wrong? Is it missing operator? Really? Oh wait, oh yeah, here. Jesus. Yeah. Here we go. Cool.